Okay, I've just taken a spline and extruded a surface, and now on the same plane that I sketched the spline on, I'm going to sketch a conic. Come on. Okay, conic is the way they've done the interface for this. It's better than the parabola because you can specify the endpoints first, which is nice, and then you put this point out in space somewhere, and you've got your conic. Now I'm going to apply a C2 relation here, which I didn't expect to be able to do. And see, I did this before and it worked, and now this time it doesn't work. Not really clear why that is. Let's get rid of that with Control Z. Pull this back a little bit. And okay, so that is curvature continuous. And now this, you can apply C2 to both sides, which is interesting. Now that that fully defines this point, which I'm assuming would be the intersection of two lines that are tangent. Yeah. Because that's essentially the limit. Okay. If these lines are tangent to the spline, then this point is the limit of which this conic can get sharp. The limit in the other direction is, of course, a straight line. So it can approach those two limits, but it can never touch either one. So the way you have to control this, even though this is a blue dot, it's a blue point, it's underdefined. The way you have to control it, it seems, the way they have the interface set up is this way, using the rho value, and that's that's nice, but it's a little awkward compared with just dragging a point. A little unnecessary, I think. But the nice thing about the conic is that it remains. It never flips convexity. I mean, that's really the nice thing. So you can make this thing as sharp as you want, or you could make it as flat as you want, and it will never flip convexity. Now, that's not to say that a surface that you make from it will not flip convexity, because that's not true at all. Once you make a surface out of this thing, all bets are off. But I'm kind of surprised to see it will apply C2 on both ends to different curvature. Little surprised by that, but that it's a good thing. So it's accomplishing, I guess, what I need it to accomplish, and the interface again is just maybe a little funny, but it works. I guess it's the kind of thing that will be useful when you need a smooth transition between a couple of things. This should work.